What's up, guys? Casual Paul here. We got another video for you today. We're going to make a lowrider out of this Monte Carlo SS. Okay, I had two of these cars. One was a Johnny. They're both Johnny Lightning cars. One was a White Lightning. I ended up selling that. Took this one out of the bubble, and gonna do a custom with it. So yeah, that's it. You know, that's the back, the front. Interior's pretty nice. So we're gonna put some wheels on this, make a lowrider, and just do our little customs to it. So I really don't have an exact idea what we're gonna do, but we'll get it done. So stay tuned. The first thing, you know, is we're gonna take the rivets off, pull it off the frame, and then do all the things to the body to get the paint off, throw in some stripper, you know, all that stuff. But, you know, since I got you guys here, if you guys like this sort of content, you know, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get all the new videos. And I hope you guys can see this pretty good. I'll bring it up, but that's the car. So yeah, please do me that favor, like, subscribe. It takes no money, no time, it's seconds. And hit that notification bell. And I'll be able to bring you guys some more videos, guys. And thank you to all my new subscribers I've seen. So, that's the car. Let's get to it. I'll bring you right back as soon as I take one and two rivets off right there. Alright guys, see you in a second. Guys, welcome back. So I went ahead and pulled the body off the base by taking off the rivets. We just drilled them out. And there we go, we got the body off the base. These Johnny Lightning cars, guys, are more detailed, so more parts and a little bit more difficult to take apart, but it can be done. So the next thing we're going to do to work on is we're going to remove the paint off the body. And as you can see, we got the hood right here. So we're going to put those in some paint stripper. And I have this 2-minute paint remover, which is not 2 minutes, guys. I'm going to tell you, this paint remover is very hard to work with. It takes forever to do die cast paint. It might work good on other stuff, but I do not recommend it. But it's a brand new can, and I'm not gonna waste it, so we're gonna use it. And when I'm done with it, then I'll go buy some of that orange stuff that everybody's talking about at Home Depot. But we're gonna finish up that can, even if it takes me a while. So yeah, guys, we're gonna start by removing the paint and getting the bare casting before we start customizing or doing anything. I'm probably gonna remove the wheels. These wheels are kind of like premium wheels on a Hot Wheel, but a little bit more generic than the premium on the Hot Wheels. But I'm not using these wheels. I got some custom 3D printed wire wheels that we're gonna use. So without further ado, let's get started. Next time you see this car, it's gonna be a bare casting. So stay tuned, guys. So we removed all the paint off the casting, off the body. It's nice and clean. Hit it with the Scotch-Brite. So the next thing we're gonna worry about is the suspension right here on the frame. We're gonna remove this section right here, this little block right here, and we're gonna do it in the front in order to start building our suspension. So my saw, actually, I have no more blades for my little hand saw right here. See, I broke it. That was my last blade, guys. So I'm gonna have to go take this to the garage. So unfortunately I can't film that. Well, I could, but it's just gonna be a mess to take the camera and everything in there. But I'm gonna just remove these right here where the axles go. We left off when we were gonna chop the frame. So this is parts of the original frame. It didn't work. This is like a metal base. So, well, aluminum or whatever Hot Wheels are, but anyway, that casting. It didn't work that great, so I went ahead and took another base off a Hot Wheels car. As you can see right here, I cut it up. I used some 2mm plastic styrene. This is the axle that came with my wheels. I need to trim it. I added this just for looks, like a rear end anyway. And this is the way it works, guys. I'm gonna put some like cylinders for hydraulics there to make it look. And it swivels to get the 3-wheel motion, you know, 3 wheels. Let me show you the workings of it. And all it is the base is cut out, kind of like an E, as you can see there, look, kind of like an E. And then I put an axle from some wheels through it. Just 2mm plastic styrene. I put some holes in it just for looks. And this swivels, I used actually those keychains with, they're like little silver keychains with little balls all around them. And I cut like 2 of them off, put them in there, and that's what makes this little swivel effect. And that is it, guys. That's how simple it is, and that's how it's gonna work. Next is the front end, and I'm gonna come up with a suspension for the front. And let me get on that right now. I'll be right back and show you what I came up with. Just hold on, guys. So I went ahead and finished up the front suspension. As you can see, I extended this piece right here, made an extension for the front suspension. Here's the front seats and stuff. And all it is some paper clip. I made this little box right here, and the way it works is like this. So I just want to show you guys how it works. You know what I mean? I made some like little hinges right here on all 4 corners. And that's the working motion. And then of course you guys know how the back works, you know, 3-wheel, all that stuff. So the next thing, guys, is we're going to work on the body. We're going to get the body into paint. So paint on the body, we're going to paint the frame, and we're going to assemble. I got these wheels right here. There you go. And those wheels are from this place right here, 164 Lifestyle Customs. So that's where I got those wheels. So yeah, just stay tuned, guys. Next is assembly paint, and I'll probably bring it back from paint, show you guys how it looks like before we assemble. Just stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, welcome back. I am finally done here. I finished up the Monte Carlo. The flake in this is crazy. I went this purple color. Let me see if I can zoom in, get some of that flake in there. It's crazy. Right now, as I'm filming this right now, I mean, my light is kind of awful. It's not the best, but I mean, you can see that flake. Look at them wheels. Those are those wheels that I ordered. I haven't seen no wheels like this in a long time for the 164 or the Hot Wheels. The interior is the original tan interior, but yeah, I painted it this purple color. Bunch of flake. I threw some automotive clear on top, you know, so I think it came out okay, guys. We detailed the front a little bit. What else? The tail lights. So the bottom needs to be detailed a little bit more, not a little bit longer, but I didn't want to take too much longer or too much more time and make this video too long, but I'm gonna add something back here, add something right here, and then paint and detail the bottom. But let me adjust this. If the camera moves, I have it on this this camera stand, and it's kind of wobbly, so if I hit it, I mean, sorry guys, but that's what it is. Let's get another look at the flake on this car. Oh, and the light, this is crazy flake. So what everybody came to see. Okay, let's do this. One side, other side, as you can see how that works. Okay, the rear. Check it out, guys. Fully lifted. I shouldn't have tilted this. Let me tilt it and I'll show you guys. But that's it right there. Fully lifted up and down. All the way around. I mean, this front's not all the way up. There we go. Spin it around for you guys real quick. And it's this base that I have right here, guys. It's just like a mirror. So sorry about that. I'm actually angling it to get the right angle to show you guys here how the car stands. What else? Oh yeah, let me I'll do it right here on camera. But you push on one side right here and you get the 3-wheel motion, guys. Right there, 3-wheel motion. It kind of looks kind of weird on the camera because of this base, but see, 3-wheel motion. I can do both sides, so just flip it around, turn it, do both sides. Just the front lock, you know, with the back down, or I can drop the front, you know, just lift the back. Ooh, it wants to slide off, sorry guys. But yeah, that's it, you know what I mean? So we got, you know, we could do side to side if we want, like this. Side to side. However, really, it's very, the suspension is very forgiving, and this setup works pretty good. Look, you twist it either way, up and down, up, down, locks nice. And the same with the front, individual, up, down, however you guys want to do it. But that's the Monte Carlo Lowrider, guys. I wanted to show you how it was done. If you guys like this car and you guys want me to build anything else, let me know. Please, I do ask. Sorry, I hit it again. See, but please, guys, I ask if you like, subscribe. I want to get to at least 1,000 followers, and then I could do way more things and make this channel grow. So please, guys, help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And subscribe, like, and share, and like. Hit that notification bell and tell everybody, you know, let everybody know. So thank you guys for coming along on this build, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm Casual Paul. Thanks again. Have a good night. Peace.